thunderstorm warning for Stewart County in Middle Tennessee, northern Houston County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, until 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:46 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Springville, Oregon, 10 miles east of Paris, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dover, Marion, Tennessee Ridge, Big Rock, Cumberland City, Houston County Airport, Indian Mound, and land between the lakes. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. For this afternoon and tonight.